Today we are making Eid cookies, which is called mamul. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups and 1/4 of all-purpose flour. We need 2 cups of semolina, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 200 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of syrup, 1 teaspoon of anise, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom. Also, we need half teaspoon of yeast, half tablespoon of sugar, half cup of warm water. For the filling, we need 2 cups of dates, pitted dates, mixed with 1 tablespoon of butter. We mix it very well until it becomes as a paste. The other kind of filling is walnut. We need 1.5 cups of chopped walnut with 1 tablespoon of rose water and between 3 and 4 tablespoons of syrup. To start with the dough, it takes 2 steps. The first step is to put the 2 tablespoons of ghee with the butter until it melts. After the ghee is melted with the butter, we will start the first step with the dough. We will add the semolina, with the flour, we will mix them well. Also, we will add the sugar. And then we will add the ghee with the butter. After finishing mixing all the ingredients that I mentioned, now we'll leave it to rest between 2.5 hours until 3 hours. And we will be back. In the meantime, we will prepare the fillings. First of all, we will start with the walnut mix. We will add the rose water, and we will add the syrup. We will put between 3 and 4 tablespoons. I will put 3, and then we can see the mix. It's showing that 3 tablespoons are enough. So this filling is now ready. With the pitted dates, we will start to make small balls. This size. After 3 hours, now it's time to do the yeast. we will bring an empty cup. We will add the yeast, the sugar, the warm water, and then we will cover it for about 10 minutes, and then we will add it to the dough. Now the yeast is ready, so we will add it to the mixture that we have here. And add the 1 tablespoon of syrup also. Now this is the final result. Should look like a cookie dough. We will leave it for half a minute. Now we will start working. Try to make small balls identical, and we will start with the date first. So it's gonna be like this. And we will make a hole. We will put 1 ball of date. We will close. And then we will use a mold. You can use any mold that you want, but if you had something similar to this, it will give a good shape. Try to put these lines at the bottom and the clear surface to the top, and push. And then take out. We'll start with the second filling, the walnut. And we will use the other